Hello, this is Dr. Deepthi and we are talking about physics for artists. Let's talk about speed of sound. Earlier, we have talked about speed and velocity and mentioned that speed requires only magnitude to be described and is a scalar quantity, while velocity requires both magnitude and direction to be described completely. Hence, it is a vector quantity. Here, we are using the term speed. Speed is a ratio of distance to time. So, if the distance is wavelength and time is t, then speed will be given by wavelength upon time, lambda upon t. Since frequency is inverse of t, it can be written as 1 upon t. So, speed can also be written as product of wavelength and frequency. The speed of sound is fastest in solids. It's almost around 6,000 meter per second in steel. It is slower in liquids. It is around 1500 meter per second in water, and it is slowest in gases. Now typically we are concerned with sound traveling through air. Hence the speed is going to be much slower as compared to the speed in solids and liquids. In fact, at 0 degrees Celsius, speed is around 330 meter per second. Now, if I tell you that with every increase of 1 degree Celsius in temperature, the speed is going to increase by 0.6 meter per second, will you be able to calculate what the speed will be when the temperature rises by 20 degrees Celsius? Correct. The speed will be 331 plus 0.6 into 20. In fact, the speed of sound will be around 343 meter per second at 20 degree Celsius. There are other factors that affect the speed as well. It could be wind, it could be humidity. In fact, many of the musical instruments are made up of wood, and then depending on the type of wood which is used, the speed could differ. It is obviously going to differ when the medium is changed. For example, in glass it could be around 5500 meter per second. So this is all about speed of sound. Do you know how much is speed of light? Well, it's 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. That gives you an idea how light travels way faster than sound. And that is the reason we see lightning first before we hear the thunder. Thank you.